After a long summer break, three old friends finally meet again at school. They are excited, curious, and full of stories to share. Summer vacations are special because they give us memories that last forever.
Hi guys.
Hey Maria. Long time no see.
Yeah, it feels like ages.
I know. How is everything going?
Pretty well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great too. I missed you both so much. So Tom, let's start with you. How was your summer vacation?
It was amazing. Really unforgettable.
Wow, what made it so special?
I went back to the countryside to visit my grandparents. I stayed there for 2 whole weeks.
That sounds peaceful. Where do they live?
They live in a small village in Vermont, a state in New England.
As Tom speaks, memories fill his mind: green fields, blue skies, and quiet roads.
The village is small but very beautiful. Everyone knows everyone there.
So no traffic jams?
None at all. There are hardly any vehicles or factories.
That must mean clean air.
Exactly. The air is fresh, the sky is clear, and the landscapes are breathtaking. In the mornings, I woke up to birds singing instead of car horns.
That sounds like a dream.
It really was. What I loved most was the number of outdoor activities. I made many new friends there.
What kind of activities?
Hiking, cycling, swimming, and even rock climbing.
Rock climbing? That's brave.
I think it's dangerous.
First, I was scared too. But when I reached the top, I felt proud and strong.
Sometimes, conquering fear is the greatest adventure.
The feeling of achievement was unforgettable.
What else did you do?
On windy days, we flew kites together. The sky was full of colors. In the afternoons, we went swimming. Floating on an inflatable mattress felt so relaxing. We also hiked to the top of Camel's Hump Mountain.
Why is it called that?
Because it looks like the hump of a camel.
That's so interesting.
One of my favorite moments was visiting Ben and Jerry's ice cream factory.
Lucky you.
The place was colorful and creative. As soon as you entered, the smell of ice cream and cookies filled the air.
That must have been delicious.
It was. That's why I enjoyed every single day of my vacation.
All right, Peter, your turn.
I went to the beach with my family.
Nice. How was it?
It was wonderful. The days were sunny and windy, and the nights were cool.
Did you try water sports?
Of course, I went surfing when the waves were high.
That takes skill.
I also tried windsurfing. It was challenging but exciting.
The sea teaches courage, balance, and respect for nature.
We swam and dived to see corals. The underwater world was magical.
Wow.
We wore goggles to protect our eyes.
What was the best part?
Riding a jet ski. It was fast and thrilling.
Now Maria, tell us about your vacation.
Mine was busy but fun.
Busy how?
I took taekwondo lessons.
That's impressive. What belt?
White belt for now, but I want my blue belt soon.
Good luck.
I also learned swimming and joined a guitar club.
Maria's vacation was about learning new skills and discovering her talents.
I had swimming lessons twice a week. And guitar class once a week. My guitar club also organized a camping trip.
That sounds exciting.
It was. We did archery, trampoline jumping, and Tarzan swings.
Wow.
We played tug of war and worked as teams.
Teamwork turns strangers into friends.
Seems like we all had amazing vacations.
Yes, full of adventure and fun.
And we learned so many things.
Vacations are not just about travel. They are about learning, growing, and making memories. No matter where you go, the countryside, the beach, or a camp, what matters most is how you enjoy the journey. Summer vacations are truly unforgettable.
That's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your English, remember to practice every single day. Watch this video at least 4 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your speaking skills quickly and confidently. Focus on copying the intonation and pronunciation. This is the secret to sounding natural. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Sam for more useful and easy English videos.